All right, good morning, guys. Got another day in the stand. I'm excited. It's cool out. Rut's on. I think I hear something. But got us oak bottom pines. I'm gonna wrap this intro up because there's definitely something coming. Man, it was just an armadillo. They get me every time, especially in the mornings. So it's about 55 degrees this morning, a little bit of fog cover. We're hunting an edge of some planted pines and an oak bottom. The acorns have been dropping heavy, and the deer, they like to work this edge here. So fingers crossed, lady luck's on our side, and the good Lord blesses us with a deer. I'm not too picky today. Really looking for anything that steps out. We need to get some meat in the freezer. The only thing that's going to get a pass is like a small buck or something like that. I don't know. Might even shoot him. Depends on how I feel when he comes out. So we'll see. Hey, if y'all haven't done it already, please go ahead and hit that like button on the video, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel for more fishing, hunting, and outdoor activity content. You just never know what we'll get into. Thank you. So I have this strap for my saddle platform, and I swapped it out for am steel. That way I don't have this metal buckle clanking up against my saddle. So what I'm doing with this is I'm going to hook it in and use it as a back brace so I can lean back. So you take your loop, you can take your loop ends like so. Put that on my carabiner, the one side. Bring the other side back around my back, underneath my arms. Hook that in, and now it's in. And then I can come in here real easily. All right, so they never came out, but they came in heavy. Anyway, what I was saying is there's this strap here that I had from my platform. I can sit here and I can adjust it, loosen it up, pull it tighter, real easy. And that helps. Damn it. All right, guys, third time's a charm. So, yeah, I got to figure out some different strategy. These deer, they're literally walking 10 yards from me, and I can't see them. I saw legs. That was it. It's thick. So that tree right here, it's about 8 yards from me, and they are literally just on the other side, and I saw them walking right there, their legs. But it is so thick right there. So because it's so thick, and I'm in a saddle, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get down, and I'm going to go in there and see if I could find a tree that I could put this on. There's just a bunch of deer coming through right here on that spot, and they're not coming out, so I got to go in, got to do something. But anyway, what I was saying, saddle hunting. It's very mobile. You can get down, go do what you need to do. That's what I'm about to do myself. It's quiet. You buy one saddle setup and you're done. You don't need to buy 5, 6, 7 different stands to put in your different areas. These saddles are very quiet compared to a climber, clanking around. Super lightweight compared to a climber. Even the aluminum ones. All right, guys, so we had a bunch of deer come in this morning, right inside the oak bottom off to my left. All I saw were legs. I couldn't see them. It was too thick. I only had one shooting lane, and they've done that 3 times to me. Twice this morning, once last night, and once last week, so 4 times total. But here, check this out. I cleared out this lane right there. So that's like a heavy trail coming out from that bedding area back there, walking right through here. So we're gonna catch them right there, or we'll catch them over here on the corn pile. Hey guys, so unfortunately we had some technical difficulties with the footage and we lost a bunch of it. But either way, we're gonna make a video here, and out of this guy right here, we're gonna go ahead and do a Euro mount. I'm gonna show you the process in which, I boil it, peroxide, Dawn dish soap, the whole 9, getting everything off of this thing to make it looking pretty and white like y'all see in the Euro mounts. We're also gonna throw a plaque behind it, so that'd be pretty cool. If you guys want, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, notifications to be notified when we post up some videos here, and let me know what y'all think. Leave a comment down below if you got any suggestions, y'all want to see something, you have any questions whatsoever, let me know. Leave a comment, share with your friends, and we'll catch you on the next one.